How to create CI/CD pipelines for machine learning, and how are they different from standard CI/CD pipelines?
So continuous integration and continuous deployment pipelines, they're pretty much the same for MLOps, but there are some additions to it. So your CI pipeline is not only about testing and validating code and components, but it's also about testing and validating data schemas, and your models as well. Your continuous deployment or CD pipeline is no longer about single software package or a service, but a system that should automatically deploy another service. So in this case, it's a machine learning training pipeline that is triggered, and when it finishes, it deploys another service. So that's different from traditional continuous deployment, which is somewhat well-defined and linear. And then what's new with MLOps is continuous training. So it's a very unique property to machine learning, where you want to be monitoring your model in production. And if you're seeing that your model in production is differing from your expectations, you want to continuously retrain your model. So yeah, that would trigger a rerun of your pipeline that gives it new data, trains the model, and deploys it. So there's this continuous training process that is additional for MLOps.